this is the beta choice. So, oh, we're getting hit right there. Anyways, whatever. That's not a big one. 50-pound leader circle hook, and this is a speedo. You'll catch a bunch of grouper on squid, but now put a sardine or a speedo hole on the bottom. Just wait.
Here it goes.
Oh, this is a big one. Picking that from the front. Holy shit.
How big?
That is a big boy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's coming up. Nice.
Oh, that's a big boy. Oh yeah.
Oh wow. Okay. Yeah, that's a keeper. That's definitely a keeper.
Bring him in the net.
Oh.
Oh, dude, that is a tank. That is a tank.
Nice.
Oh my god. What a tank. Jeez, look at that.
Wow, Maham. That's a big one.
It's probably like a 25-inch.
Is that a keeper?
Oh yeah, for
sure?
sure. All day.
Wow. Okay. Perfect.
All day. All day.
Is it because the rod is so small?
No, that's a lot bigger one than the one I caught.
You don't think it's gonna pop?
No.
Tired. I'm already tired. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know if I can do it.
Come on. You got this.
Oh my god.
You got this. That's a big group. I don't even see him yet.
I know, I don't see him yet either.
Come on. Don't give him slack. Watch out at the bottom of the boat. Oh my god.
Is it really big?
That is a tank.
Oh my
That
god.
is a tank. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, tank.
That thing is so big.
My god. Guys, look at the size of this tank.
It's so big.
Huge grouper. Huge grouper.
Wow.
He's at least 30, maybe 32 inches. Oh god. That's great. Oh, it's a nice fish.
What do you think it is?
I don't know. It's a nice fish. Holy shit.
It's the
Heavy.
bottom.
We got a nice mark on the GPS. Is that a gas? That's a red grouper. It's a freaking another grouper.
Is it a keeper?
Nah.
Are you sure? That's a big one.
He might. He's close. He's close. Nice one.
How'd you catch that one?
This one was just a little piece of cut bait on the bottom. Right away.
That's crazy.
Look at what a calm, beautiful day it is. This is so amazing. I haven't seen weather like this in so long. Look at my baby. He's been killing it today.
Is it a big one?
Might be another keeper.
They fight so hard.
God.
It's hard, right?
Yeah, they war. And they just want little baits. That's all they want.
I know, it's crazy.
Oh yeah, he's a keeper. That's
Oh my god, another big one. It's not as big as the other one, but
That's
it's
a keeper
still
all
big.
day.
Oh,
Yeah,
this thing is hot.
another keeper. We're limited out, baby. Ah, yeah. Limited out.
Wow, we did it. Nice big
We're
one.
limited out today. We're good. There we go. It's nothing big. There it comes up. Oh, lane. That's a keeper. Very nice lane. Into the kill bag. Guys, this is a freaking bait knife, not a fillet knife, so it is really not sharp at all. Okay. This is plain and simple. Everglades fish and chicken. It's perfect. A little lane snapper. Could have done a hole also. We would have caught 2. Yeah.
Can we have a little point?
Oh baby. Ah. Yes. We don't have crackers or anything.
Well,
that's fine.
At least we have the experience.
Yeah. Freaking fresh. That's so good. Fresh with some bits of sand in it.
I was gonna say the same thing. It's great. Kind of salty.
It is very salty, actually. Guys, we'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Had a lot of fun today.